Guess what? Guess what? Guess what?
What?
Guess what I got in the mail?
What'd you get in the mail?
I got something I won off of Twitter from Greg Garcia. Do you know who that is? He's like a TV producer.
Oh, that's why that name rings a bell.
Yes! Guess what I got? Guess what I got? Guess what I got?
What'd you get?
I did something great for my autograph collection. I can't get it open.
Mm-hmm.
I could not believe when he posted I won this. I threw my name in and I thought I would never have a chance on winning this. Amigos de Garcia Productions. Congrats. Greg Garcia.
Amigos de Garcia Productions. Congrats. You read it too quietly.
Well, this is... Yay!
This
is my Full House Subterranean Graduation Blues. Story by Mark Warren and Dennis Rinsler. Teleplay by Tom Burkhardt. Shooting script, January 13th, 1993. Look at this.
And it is signed as of the date on the script.
Because look at Mary-Kate and Ashley Olsen's signatures. Isn't this going to be fantastic in my autograph collection?
Yes. That's pretty epic.
Candace Cameron, John Stamos, and he was holding this like this in the picture where I want it. I'm getting my John Stamos fix. What? I'm all excited! What do you think, Terry?
That is...
It's epic!
It is epic.
I am so excited! This is like so cool. They're just grouchy because there's no bathroom in there. Don't remind me. Did I do it like Michelle?
I don't know.
You watched Full House, didn't you?
Yeah, I did. But I can't remember exact scenes.
Well, I'm saying, did I do it like her?
Yeah. Yeah, it's close enough.
There's one more on the front. Yeah.
I'm sure it was used.
Well, yeah. I figure John Stamos used this one. What do you think?
I think the bigger Full House fans out there, much bigger than I am, are going to be going nuts for you.
And I am not quite as big a Full House fan as I am John Stamos. Blackie from General Hospital. John Stamos held this.
And he wrote his name on it.
Yes, even better.
He left his magic on it.
Oh. I'm so excited. I just wanted to show this.
Stamos, Stamos,
Stamos, Stamos, Stamos, Stamos, Stamos, Stamos, Stamos, Stamos, Stamos. I thought I turned it off.